So welcome back to the channel. I was migrating my code to NextJS from just normal React because I actually exported an API key to the client side. Not great, obviously. Whilst doing that, I thought, I haven't updated my UI in quite a while. So I'm gonna look through some designs and see what UI inspo I can get in this video. So yeah, let's get to it. So if you haven't seen my current applications, which is my portfolio and degree Apprentice sub and an app called Argo, I will show you them quickly. So this is my portfolio. It's got your boy and some pretty brief information about who I am, what is my tech stack. I'm probably going to change this, so instead of AWS, I've used GCP more, so I'm going to put that there. And I don't know if I'll keep Java there just because, although I've got all right Java knowledge, all I've done is build one API with it, I'm not sure. Obviously Python and React, which I'm going to use to build this application and change it. There's also these cool tabs on the side, and then this pulls out this, my SaaSes, my software as a services, Argo, which is like a AI chatbot which can use different languages like I've seen on my channel already, and then degree apprentice sub for all you guys that want degree apprenticeships or any advice in the future, because once I do graduate as a degree apprentice, I'll probably help out people trying to do interviews and things like that. So that's there. So there's a feature of this background bit moving. Not sure if you can see it every 10 seconds or something like that. If I press back, this little card thing also does it as well. So if we look at the other apps quickly, Argo was just this app, which is fairly simple design. You've got dark mode, light mode, contact section, which just goes to my portfolio, and I should probably change that, and a help section, which is just gets up this, which actually is, you can't see this because I developed it on a Windows laptop, so I probably should change those keys. So this is a degree apprentice sub app, and that is just my support app. So you've got some glow on buttons, and yeah, some shadow on some elements, and yeah, some hidden and popping up FAQs, and then you just got this floaty button that goes back to the top. So it's all right. If you refresh it as well, you can see there's a bit of, on the intro, there's some animation, but maybe I should have some more animation on the apps to make them look better. So yeah, I'm gonna pop a link of each website that I used to view in the description. So if you wanna look at some UI inspo, you can do that. I'm just having a look at Pinterest. And this was a pretty cool idea. Like the photo behind, and then this semi-transparent like div. That's pretty cool. I quite like that. Don't know what I'd have as a photo behind, but I think I quite like the transparent feature thing. That's gonna be something I'm definitely gonna add. Yeah, I think Pinterest is pretty trash. Let's move on to the next one. What's this? Collect UI. I'm not sure if you can go directly to the website. Yeah, you can. Oh. Does that go with the mouse? Oh, that is pretty cool. So that goes with your mouse, I think. Yeah, it's got a natural animation, and it also goes with your mouse. That is insane. And then this floating around. This is pretty cool, and that's live. Whoa. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to do that. I don't know if you can scroll. Oh, that would be a good place to put what apps I've kind of worked with. I don't think this is a portfolio, but this is insane. Nice. Okay. It's a bit my tongue. Oh, my tongue is killing me. Oh. So next one's Dribble. Okay, there's a couple that I like on here already. I quite like the dark mode thing, but interesting animations. I don't know what this reminds me of. This is again that kind of see-through effect situation. I think something like this, like a bit pastel-y, light colours. It's quite cool. What's this? Awards with 3 Ws. This is probably the most promising one because you can actually go on the website. That is alright. Oh yeah, that animation. Interesting. Now they've all got it. This is okay. I don't know if, like, yeah, you'd have to have very minimal text to be able to read this, which is quite good, isn't it? I'd probably rotate this a bit slower, but that's a pretty cool feature. I don't know if I'm just going for the same design each time, but just with a different spin on it, or whether I'm actually clicking on different things. But that probably tells you either I like that design, or it is a pretty decent design. Yeah. This is a good feature, but how the hell do you do that? Oh. I think this is cool, but I'm not sure for my portfolio or for what my app wants to build whether this is useful. This thing's pretty cool. Maybe I should have something that tracks the mouse. That'd be a good feature. Dmitriev Design Agency. Interesting load screen. This is too much. I ain't waiting this long. I don't like that. I don't like that either. This is, no. It's a good website, just the features are a bit weird. My eyes couldn't keep track of it. Or I think this is what I'm going to go for, this nav bar thing at the top. At the moment I've got like a 3D nav bar situation, but this is, I quite like this. So yeah, that one was alright. I ended up just looking at the content more than the actual features. Probably because it said AI all over it. But another follow thing, this follow thing is so, oh, the cloud. No way. Does this rub the cloud off as you do more? That is cool. But the actual tracker thing's weird. But look, it wipes away the cloud. That is insane. Oh my god. Oh, that'd be. What is going? Have you seen this? What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, bro. Who the hell made this? What have I just scrolled through? What the heck? You need that little mouse thing. The circle around the but when you talk about experience, jeez. There's even audio with it. What the flip? And it's got dark. Oh my god. Alright, that noise can calm down now. Let's turn that down. I don't know if this is an actual company, but was that audio supposed to be there the whole time, but it just didn't work on the first clip? I think it was. Okay, that was a bit of a bug, but this is mad. Right, okay, I mean, these features are insane. I don't know how long it would take me to develop something like this, but wow, you are. Month 4. Yeah, let me get off this website. I can't believe what I've just seen, but the show must go on. Actually, another website I thought was cool. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, if I had my own photo there, it might be cool. What the heck is going on? What is this? That, I feel like this just doesn't even fit. What is going on? No. No. There's just no cohesion. What the hell is this in between? Like, this feature and this feature makes sense. This stuff, arguably this is alright. What the heck is this? That last website, what the hell still? I don't know if these are real websites or whether it's just like a concept. Last one. Yeah, stars are moving in the background. The nav bar. Okay. Not sure about all that. Some of these features, like, even that on that cool website, it's cool, but it's a bit annoying after a while. If I have to go through that whole thing in the background, if I'm actually trying to like, I don't care about your website when the features are that insane. Like, I'm never gonna read what was on that last website, I'm just gonna go on it to have a look. So I mean, I guess any form of traffic is good traffic, right? But yeah, this is pretty cool. I think the color choices and stuff are really good. I think the some of the animations a bit, but yeah, like I didn't even know what they do. Manifestation app, didn't care, just was looking. That website was so cool. I didn't even want to look at anything else, and I can't even build anything like that. But this looks like another cool one. That is nice. How do I incorporate any of these features into my website? Who knows? I think that awards place I'm probably going to use in the future for inspo, because that's genuinely insane website. It's not the bog standard, like, look at this, price plans and stuff, which is what you want in a website that is like providing a service. You don't want it to just be gimmicky. You want it to actually be simple to understand, because with all that stuff, like I said, it's difficult to understand what the hell is actually going on with the product. Like, whose website is this? What are they providing? No clue. But for experience, like, wow. It'd be a good project to show off on like an interview, like if you're a front-end dev. Like, it'd be a good product to show off for that. But otherwise, like, I think it's overkill. Still insane though. Still insane, like 10 out of 10. I don't even want to look at it anymore. That just blew my mind. Like, I'm almost overstimulated now. Anyway, I've calmed down now. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I need to ship something, so I will use that inspo to ship some new features as I migrate to NextJS. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely did. That was an insane website, and yeah, see you in the next one.